everyone. Whether you are looking to create your very first website, yes, you are in the right place. WordPress is an incredibly powerful content management system that empowers millions of websites around the world. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on breaking down the process step by step, which make you easily follow along. But before we dive in, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you will never miss out our latest videos and tutorial. Let's move into video. First of all, you have to install WordPress. Let's see how to install WordPress. To install WordPress, you have to go wordpress.org. Go to the site and click on Get WordPress. There you have to download 6.4.2 version of WordPress. Till it getting download, let's see how to download SAMP server. To work with WordPress, you need SAMP server. To download SAMP server, you have to go to SAMP download. There you have to go download SAMP. Download 64-bit SAMP version, which is almost free to work. Now we have to extract the downloaded WordPress file. As seen in the screen, to extract that, right-click and choose Extract to WordPress 6.4.2 or Extract here. By that, you can extract WordPress file easily. Let's see. Next, we have to install the downloaded SAMP server. Now, you can see simply how to install SAMP. Click on the downloaded file, press yes, OK, next, and you have to remove the tick on FileZilla FTP server and next and put on OK. Now, as we have already extracted the WordPress file, you have to copy that file into this PC. Go to this PC. Drive C, there you can find SAMP folder. In that SAMP folder, you can find htdocs folder. There you have to paste the copied WordPress file. You have to rename that pasted file onto the name that you are going to create your website. It is upon to you. You can change the name onto your choice, as it is not exactly said to rename with the name of the website. Now you have finished the basic level of installation process, the both softwares, SAMP and WordPress. Let's see how the process is proceeded after that. Now you have to go to the install SAMP software as shown in the video. You have to run the two first button on SAMP. You have to click on the start button of two options. After that, you have to go to the Chrome and type the link as shown in the video. In there, you have to type as https://localhost/ the name of the folder that you have already created on htdocs / WordPress / you can see that clearly on the video. We have shown how to insert the name into the link. Now, when you go to that link, your WordPress site, select language, continue and click on Let's Go. Now you have to add the details into your website. Before you add the details, you have to open a new tab and you have to type there http://localhost/. There you can go to the SAMP website. There in the upper bar you can find PHP My Admin. Go to that. Next, go to New and create a new database for your website. There you have to do nothing. Just go to Create Database. To database name, you have to give the name that you are going to use for your website. There you don't keep any space. If you add spaces, it will be create unnecessary characters into your link. After giving your name, you can click create. Now, as you can see on the video, the database which I have created under the name MPS Animation. You can get a clear idea by seeing the video. As shown in the video, now you can go to the previous tab and add the database name which you have already created. Put username as root, don't include any password, click on submit and go to run the installation. To install WordPress, you have to give all the information as shown on the video. You can give the details which do you like. You can give the details up to your choice, and after adding all those information, you can go to install WordPress. After finishing all those steps, now you have already created your WordPress website. You can go to your website through login. On video, now you can see the interface of WordPress. By seeing the video, you can get a brief idea about how WordPress works. As the next step of WordPress website, we have to see how to add plugins into WordPress. Before add plugins, we have to do some changes in WordPress website. For that, you have to do changes on pages and posts. All those steps are clearly shown on the video. You can see and get a clear idea how to remove the unnecessary things in pages and posts. Before adding plugins, you have to compulsory complete that task. Now, let's see how to add plugins in WordPress. You can find plugins in WordPress as shown in the video. First, you have to go plugins. Next, add new plugin. After that, the first plugin you have to install is Elementor. In the search bar, you can search template Elementor and you can install it. And click activate as shown in the video. Next, you have to click on build with template under classic starter template. Now you have to choose a page builder method. Up there, you can choose Elementor. Now you can see different templates of websites. Before choose that, we have to add another plugin into our website. Let's see what it is and how to install it. As I previously said, go to plugins, add a new plugin, search build Elementor and install that plugin also. In adding that Elementor, you have to follow few steps. Up there, adding them is up to you. If you don't want, you can skip them. If there's a logo, you can add it as shown in the video. If not, you can skip it also. I have shown how to add a logo simply in the video. After finishing all those steps, you have initially complete of creating your website. Congrats! Now you can customize your website and add the templates as you want. One thing to remember that you can only get free templates. If you want to add premium ones, you have to pay. If not, you can go exit as shown in the video and go to the first plugin which we have already installed. Through that also you can create website easily. Let's see how to do that. We use this if we cannot customize our website. We can easily use template to create our website. Go to the dashboard, explore template. There you can find the first plugin which we have already installed. Up there, you can find many example templates which you can easily use to develop your website. You can download a template as your choice. Next, you can customize the template into your own website which you want to create it. There, you can add images, change color, font and sizes up to your choice. You can customize it as freely you want. So, you can get an idea simply by seeing the video. Finally, by finishing that, you have to fill some information that also can do easily as shown in the video. Next, click the Submit and Build My Website button. You will get few minutes to install that. Also, you can see some few changes that we can do to the website. Adding names and contents, changing the background theme, adding images, videos and links. All those things can be easily customized on your choice as shown in the video. All those things are clearly shown in the video step by step for your easiness. You can do that changes as you want. As the last step, you can go to exit and leave the site. It has to be mainly mentioned customizing website is on your hand. So try to do a new thing, new difference in your website by using the templates as you already provided. If you found value in today's tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more WordPress tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, if there is a specific topic you want to cover in future video, drop a comment down below. And if there are any questions in today's video, also comment in the comment section. And don't forget to check out the video description for additional resources. Links and other details are in description. Thank you so much for joining with me today. Until next time, happy WordPressing.